Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedy. I post videos twice a week, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss an upload. Today I'll be unboxing the Nike In Season TR9s. Okay, so to get started, I have had my eyes on these shoes for a few months. I started doing more training within the last few months, and I needed some training shoes because right now all I have is running shoes. So I was looking for some shoes with like a little flatter surface, of course, and I saw these and I was like, I have to have these. It was between those and I think it was the Nike Air Max Bella. But recently, Nike had a 30% off deal for its members, and I've been a Nike member for years. I said, this is my chance to get these TR9s. They retail for $75, but with the 30% off, I ended up getting them for a little bit over $50. And I got them in white and black, which is also something I never do because all my shoes are either black on black on black or black with a white sole. These shoes are like all white with like paint splatter white soles. So out of my comfort zone. I don't like getting shoes dirty, so I usually don't get white shoes, but they were so cute, so I was like, I gotta just get them. And I figured they'd be perfect for all my HIIT training that I've been doing recently. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so I got them right here. In shoes, I usually wear like an 8.5 or a 9, but in running shoes and workout shoes, I usually just size up to a 9, so that way my feet have like room to kind of spread out. So I got these in a 9. It's the women's Nike Renew In Season TR9, and I got them in white and black as I mentioned. All right, so straight out the box, I haven't opened these yet, so literally just took it out the actual like box, so all right. So first impression, they're literally so white they can barely focus. Oh my god. And it has that paint splatter. There it goes. That paint splatter sole that I was talking about. These are nice. Like, oh my god, they look so much better in person. I'm happy I didn't get black because I'm just boring. I get black all the time. But these shoes, they have the foot to foam construction. It makes the shoe feel close to the ground, which is what I wanted. I wanted a flatter shoe since I didn't want to do HIIT training in my running shoes. So it was a necessary purchase, okay? Right, it has that comfort footbed on it. And then I am going straight off of Nike, what they're saying. The light and stable trainer has durable multi-directional traction on the outsole for grip on smooth gym surfaces. And strap in, a strap over the laces helps keep your foot secure. It provides a seriously locked in fit and feel. So for me, it was the strap over the laces that was like a selling point for me. I saw that, I said, whoa, because that's like different. So it's different and necessary because everyone knows when you're in the gym and your shoe comes untied or your laces are too long or you trip over your laces, you don't have to worry about that. And then also with the strap being there, your foot feels locked in. So obviously I had to, like, that was just like a non-negotiable. I said, oh, well, I have to get these now because they're different. I told myself that. I was like, these are different, I have to have them. But anyway, I am going to be doing Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge starting August 31st. So I can go ahead and insert some footage of that. So that way I have a well-rounded review of the shoe, not just based off of, physical out of the box appearance. I'm also going to be able to comment on the functionality of the shoe as well. Maybe. There it goes. Yep. All right, so there go both shoes. So far these shoes have been holding up nicely. It's only been day 1 though. The one thing I will say is that the laces kind of came out from underneath the strap while I was working out. I worked out for about 45 to 50 minutes, but the laces never came out from under the strap all the way. So that's a plus. They never came untied or anything like that. In terms of impact, they were very comfortable with the impact and the intensity of the workout I was doing. Since I did go up to a size 9 instead of 8.5, my feet did have enough room to kind of spread out, so they weren't super tight. But all in all, based on just the flat surface of the shoe, they were perfect for the HIIT workout. All right, so that was my review of the Nike In Season TR9. What did you guys think of the shoe? I personally like the shoe. I love the way it looks. And for it coming in at retail of $75 and then having that extra discount that I got, you can't beat that. Even if you paid the regular $75, that's still a deal. Like, I know I wanted the Nike Metcons, but those are like more than like double the price. Some of them are like $130, $150 for the Metcons. I'll get the Metcons once I get more committed into this lifestyle. But right now, just to kind of dip my toe into the training shoe water, the Nike TR9 is a great place to start for me personally, since I'm not like a guru, okay? But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.